everyone! Welcome to the introduction of Modelo 2.0. If you haven't watched the video on our revamped interface yet, feel free to check it out first, as it may hold a lot of important information to be able to navigate our new interface. As usual, you can contact us through email at hi@modelo.io or drop a comment below if you have any concerns, questions, complaints, or feedback. In this video, we will be going through how to use 3D slides and walkthrough functions. While walkthroughs may be familiar to you, 3D slides are another great way for you to present selected views of your models to your clients or share with your colleagues. At any point in time, whether you're walking, orbiting, changing the settings, you're able to snap your favorite moments and angles of your models through creating 3D slides. You can create as many as you want at a time and add a title and descriptive content. What's exciting is that you can also add pins to your models to highlight a specific point in the model, or add a photo or file attachment as well. To share your 3D slides with other people, you can either share a link to your model with the 3D models attached, or present it to them in a presentation. Another wonderful viewing experience that you can create for other people is a walkthrough, which you can create right here. For instance, if you have a certain part of your model you want another person to specifically walk and see, you can preset it using the walkthrough function. You can add or remove waypoints, and after creating the walkthrough, you're able to find it in the gallery here on the side, which you can make a compilation of your 3D slides and walkthroughs that you have created. We hope that through the use of these slides and walkthroughs, Modelo 2.0 can help you improve your workflow and communication in 3D with your stakeholders and colleagues. If at any point at all you are confused, angry, happy, sad about our new changes, we welcome you and your feedback. The question mark at the bottom of your model page leads to this tutorial. And if you want to contact us, go to the Help and Resources button in your model page. If those methods don't work for you, just drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. We're here to answer any questions you may have. And don't forget to check out the rest of our videos to learn about our new functions. Your feedback will be crucial in shaping the future of Modelo, and we can't wait to hear from you. That's it for now, and we'll see you in the next video.